What we're going to look at today is how to create an animated GIF that you can add to the side or the top of your interactive notebook that demonstrates to students exactly what they're supposed to do on the output side of their notebook pages. The jumping off point for this is screencasting. You have to have a tool that allows you to screencast. Two possibilities are QuickTime or Screencast-O-Matic. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it using QuickTime. But the steps using Screencast-O-Matic are very similar. Start by opening your interactive notebook page, then open QuickTime. You're going to want to select File and New Screen Recording. The screen recorder will then give you a plus sign, which you're going to drag to draw a box. You want to draw that box around only the section you're trying to screen record. In this case, I'm trying to do a screen recording of what it will look like when I drag the oval over the word qualitative. Click record and then record yourself dragging and dropping the item into place. I sometimes find the stop recording button a little difficult to find in QuickTime. For me, it's in the upper right hand corner and it looks like this image. Then save your screen recording. Once you save your file, you're ready to move on to step 2, which is convert that file to a GIF. The website you want to use for this is easygif.com. Once you're there, click on the Video to GIF option. You then need to choose and locate the GIF screen recording that you previously made, and click Upload Video. If you look at the lower left-hand corner of your screen, you'll see it uploading. Once your video uploads, you want to isolate a smaller period of time that's going to continue looping in your GIF. So the way I do it is I watch the video until it reaches the moment where the action starts and I click Use Current Position. Then I watch it until the action stops and I click Use Current Position again for the end time. Then I click Convert to GIF. Your GIF will appear in the lower part of the screen and it shows you how the action repeats. When you're ready, click Save. Our final step is to add that GIF to your digital interactive notebook. In our final step here, we're going to click Image and then Upload from Computer, and we're going to find the easy GIF that we downloaded and insert it onto the page. You'll need to do a little bit of adjustment so that you can line it up precisely over the text that's already on the page to get it to look like it matches. There is one final very important step. Move the GIF out of the way, and if you have any items that the students are going to be dragging and dropping onto the questions at the bottom of the page, you need to select them all and bring them to the front, in front of the GIF. That way, they still have the ability to drag and drop the ovals on the remainder of the page. And that's it! How to make GIF directions for your interactive notebooks. Good luck!